Invisible microscopic life transforms our food daily. This ancient process quietly shapes human civilization. It's a chemical dance we often take for granted. Today, we unlock fermentation's amazing cultural power. It is more than preservation. It defines identities. Tiny microbes create complex flavors and vital nutrients. From ancient cellars to modern kitchens, it thrives globally. Fermentation represents humanity's oldest food science experiment. Let's explore how chemistry fuels cultural traditions worldwide. Prepare to see your favorite foods in a new light. Fermentation began thousands of years ago by accident. Early humans discovered preserved foods tasted delightful. Microorganisms like bacteria and yeast do the work. They break down sugars, producing acids, gases, alcohol. This transformation prevents spoilage and adds unique tastes. It was humanity's first reliable food preservation technology. Sauerkraut exemplifies European reliance on lactofermentation. Finely shredded cabbage ferments with lactic acid bacteria. This creates its distinct sour flavor and crunchy texture. Ancient Romans used similar methods for vegetable preservation. Captain Cook famously carried it to prevent scurvy on voyages. Sauerkraut's vitamin C content saved countless sailors' lives. It remains a cherished, simple, and healthy European staple. In Korea, kimchi embodies national culinary identity deeply. This spicy fermented cabbage dish varies vastly by region. Main ingredients include napa cabbage, gochugaru, garlic, ginger. Kimchi's fermentation occurs in traditional jangdeokdi pots. The Kimjang tradition, making kimchi together, is UNESCO-recognized. It fosters community spirit and ensures winter food supply. Kimchi is more than food. It's a cultural cornerstone. East Asia presents other profound fermented food traditions. Miso, a fermented soybean paste, adds rich umami.
Koji mold, Aspergillus oryzae, initiates this complex process.
It breaks down proteins into amino acids, creating depth. Similarly, soy sauce results from Koji mold fermentation. Soybeans and wheat are brewed for months, even years. These umami powerhouses define countless Japanese and Asian dishes. Fermentation continues shaping global cuisines and health today. From sourdough bread to artisanal cheeses, examples abound. Probiotic benefits for gut health are now widely recognized. Modern science constantly uncovers new microbial applications. A timeless, itself blend of tradition and scientific discovery.
Fermentation truly is a delicious, living, evolving cultural legacy.
Understanding this chemistry deepens our appreciation for food. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.